Okay, here I'm in my programming console. During the analysis, we allotted some points to Logan as well as some points to Floyd. I have summarized that table over here. You can take a look at it. So Logan has scored 5 points out of 15 points, whereas Floyd has scored 10 points out of 15 points. Actually, Floyd has scored 11 points. We are subtracting 11 with -1 because of this pressure factor. Pressure is a negative factor. That's the reason why we are subtracting 11 with -1. So the total score of Floyd is 10. Okay. So after this, we are going to write a program which is going to predict who is going to win, as well as it is going to give us the output of win rate of each of these guys. Okay. So first things first, I am going to create a class called winner, and after this I will initialize a variable called number of features. So there are total of 15 features, so I will initialize this variable with 15, and after this I will create two functions. First function is going to predict Logan Paul's win rate, and second function is going to predict Floyd's win rate. So first I will create a function for Logan's win rate. So Logan win rate, it is going to accept the first parameter as self and second parameter as number of points gained. Okay, and after this I will initialize a variable called win rate. This win rate is nothing but number of points gained divided by number of features multiplied by 100. And after this I will print Logan's win rate, and I will pass that win rate over here. So win rate, and you cannot access this number of features directly, we just have to give self dot number of features. Okay, so and after this we will return that win rate as well. Okay, so win rate. So this function is going to predict Logan Paul's win rate, and after this we will create another function which is going to predict Floyd's win rate. So which is basically the same, we just have to make some changes. So I'll just change this name to Floyd, and I'll change here as well Floyd's win rate. Okay, and after this I will create an object for this winner class. So win and this winner. Okay, and after this we will take if condition, if win dot Floyd's win rate. So Floyd's win rate is accepting one parameter which is number of points gained. So here from the table we can see Floyd has gained 10 points, so I'll pass 10 over here. If Floyd's win rate is greater than Logan Paul's win rate, so Logan is win dot Logan win rate. So Logan Paul's function is also going to accept one parameter, that is number of points gained. So here in the table we can see Logan has gained only 5 points out of 15 points, so we will pass that 5 over here. So if Floyd's win rate is greater than Logan's win rate, we are just going to print Floyd is going to win. We'll just print Floyd will win, else Logan will win. Now let's just execute this program. Hopefully I have not committed any errors. So here is the moment of truth. So here we can see Floyd's win rate is 66.66%, whereas Logan's win rate is 33.33%, and computer has predicted Floyd will win. So this is the computer's prediction based on the input we provided, and prediction is all about assumptions. Okay, and anything could happen in real life. if in case Logan Paul wins, on that day the internet is gonna go nuts and he will create history for sure. Okay, so anyways, I am going to wish both of these guys all the best, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, take care.